Hey, so if your Trello cards aren't updating in real time, yeah, that can totally mess up your workflow. Maybe changes aren't syncing, or you don't see updates from your team instantly. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to get everything syncing properly again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Real-time updates depend on a strong connection, so if it's slow or dropping, Trello won't sync properly. Next, try refreshing the page. Sometimes, yeah, Trello just needs a quick reload to sync the latest changes. If that doesn't work, check if Trello's servers are down. When there's an outage, real-time updates can stop completely. Now, clear your browser cache and cookies. Stored data can sometimes block live updates or cause delays. Try disabling extensions, especially ad blockers or privacy tools. These can interfere with Trello's real-time syncing. Another quick fix: log out of your account and then log back in. This refreshes your session and often restores syncing. If updates still aren't showing, try opening Trello on another browser or device. This helps you figure out if it's a device-specific issue. And finally, if you're using the desktop or mobile app, make sure background sync is enabled and the app is updated to the latest version. So yeah, that's how to fix Trello cards not updating in real time. Usually it's just a small sync issue that's easy to fix once you know where to look. If this helped, subscribe for more quick and simple tech guides. Hey,